Luna Classic has been absolutely ripping over the last few days, and a lot of this comes down to liquidity deployment. It seems that in fact the entire crypto market is almost frozen in awe over the performance of Luna Classic as Bitcoin kind of just sits there at 37k level. We'll also do a bit of an update on Bitcoin at the end of this video, but overall Luna Classic USTC, which is I believe a stable coin which will most likely never get back to where it was before, it's just been ripping, guys. It's been really ripping, and I think if you think about the demographic and the people that were holding Luna Classic, people that lost money, a lot of people are going to be maybe FOMOing in, and you could potentially be making a mistake, or maybe actually Luna Classic will go crazy and will continue pumping. It's really hard to say. Right now in the markets we've got 71 Fear and Greed Index. We can see Terra Luna Classic is the leader, and also Luna. So the whole matrix, the whole Luna theme, whether it's Terra Luna Classic or Luna itself, everything is just pumping massively. So Terra Luna Classic, we can see over the last year, it's actually performing really well on the month right now. And if we go back to, of course, Legacy Luna and how that's looking, we can see, well, actually on the month, you know, even Luna's looked really good. It's done a 2x over the last 30 days here. Bitcoin is just slowly crawling downwards. We can see it's got rejected at 38.3k. $40,000 is a major resistance, a major big price target here. We could be seeing a short-term pullback in the market, but I personally believe there is one more leg up for Bitcoin, and we should see hopefully $40,000 soon. So with that in mind, Terra Luna Classic over the last 7 days, you can see, look, trading at 0.00009 just literally a day ago. The last 24 hours has been absolutely just bullish momentum for Luna, and you can see, look, Luna C, USTC surge as social activity skyrockets after a key update. And you know, it says the 3 tokens of Terra ecosystem, Luna Classic, Terra USD, have gained momentum following an update. And it says the surge comes after Terraform Labs, which, you know, TFL, pretty big influence, of course, behind the Luna scene. Do some research on those, and they deployed 10 million worth of assets in 3 different liquidity pools. And when we do a bit of research on this, there's actually a tweet saying here, liquidity deployment impact analysis, uncovering the cascading effects of Terra Money's strategic investment in Astroport FI. On November 14, we've already seen a 25% increase in daily transactions and a remarkable 9x in surge. So that's pretty crazy to see. We can also see as well, looking at crypto waves, USTC, Luna Classic, these are the overbought cryptos right now in real world lifetime, right, second for second. We can see Luna Classic is very overbought. There's a few other ones that are just, you know, seriously underbought in the market, so maybe they're good for long-term hodling, but the ones that are overextended and overbought, these ones I usually look to go short on, even though the short-term trajectory is usually up for a while. We can see, actually looking at the daily number of new Terra wallets over time, well, November 18, a humongous amount after the announcement, you can see here. So following the announcement, many more people are joining in. More depositors, more holders of, you know, Luna Classic, people are returning again. So we're starting to see that FOMO really sort of spike up. We're seeing people want to, of course, be part of this because it's the only thing flashing majorly green right now in the crypto markets, as we can see in Crypto Bubbles. So noobs, retailers, just generally people and eyes are, you know, all focused on Luna Classic right now. Guys, before we look at a little price analysis, if you are new here, make sure you do consider becoming a patron if you want to unlock over 500 trading signals per month. There are only 5 slots remaining. It costs about $100 a month for the top package. We do have other packages available should you wish. And actually we have also 2 months free if you sign up to MEXC using my link down below for one of the lower tier packages. So if you are a crypto person, you like trading, make sure to also use MEXC down below so you can also enjoy some potential crypto rewards up to $15,000 in bonus rewards. So Luna Classic at the moment, wow, look at this, massively overbought on our relative strength index right now. You can see actually that we could potentially be forming a bit of a bearish divergence here on that 4-hour time frame as we print a lower high here. As you can see, you got that high, that first high didn't quite get back to where it was, and you can actually see, looking at the price structure, we are starting to see a mirroring effect, that bearish divergence as the price increases but the RSI decreases. That is what we call our divergence, because the lines go apart, they don't converge, they are, you know, diverging, away from each other. So this is where we can spot potentially a bearish trend reversal. If we move to the 1-hour time frame, we do have a bit of a falling wedgie pattern over here. So this could effectively be where the bullish reversal takes place. It's really hard to kind of spot these sort of things. And if I was looking to make a long position, I would probably naturally want to wait a little bit longer. I'd want to actually put in my long position around 0.00010645. But actually, you can see in the last 30 minutes, we've had 3 very promising looking candles, and we could actually get a breakout back up to the 1185 level here, and maybe even see some further continuation. If we did get continuation similar to what we just had, which resulted in a 2618 pump, then we could potentially be looking at the next leg up. Very, very bullish price target of 0.0001591. Now remember guys, nothing in this video is financial advice, it's always speculative, but this is really, really crazy to see the price action of Lunar Classic right now versus the rest of the market. Really, really crazy to see it stealing the show once again. Now, for me, I would be probably accumulating much lower down to really reduce my downside risk. If we look at the last week here, you know, Lunar Classic was, prior to all of this in September, trading at levels much, much lower. We can see around these levels here. So we don't know how much sustenance there will truly be with this particular pump that we've seen over the last few weeks. We don't know if this will be long term. We don't know if this is the bottom or not. But, you know, for me, again, I don't feel comfortable to buy in at these levels when I know for a long time, for multiple months, we were trading at a lower price. I already missed my golden zone, and I can see the RSI is telling me on the weekly time frame we're sitting at 64, which tells me, well, maybe it's actually starting to diminish now. Maybe the pump is diminishing. You know, it can only go up for so long. Will it get to the next price target of 177? I have no idea. I really don't. For you DGens out there, by the way, if you are looking for a new 10x potential pre-sale, check out the Bitcoin ETF token. There is a link down below if you want to explore this particular ICO, because it's all about the Bitcoin ETF. They're updating people with Bitcoin ETF news every day, and every time a real world Bitcoin ETF gets approved, it's basically saying they reward holders. So they could be as simple as reducing the tax or doing a token burn, which could increase the price momentarily. Pretty exciting stuff. Check it out down below. $5 million hard cap target. A 10x takes it to 50 million if it does happen. And like I said, guys, if you're new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, like, comment, sign up to MEXC down below if you want to take advantage of those trading benefits like all the Discorders are doing right now. And yeah, going back to the Patreon side of things, with the Patreon, like I say, heavy demand, but we are doing our best to create one of the best products here in the cryptocurrency space. If you want to enjoy trading signals like this, they look like this here, you know, in the Discord, we've got so many great analysts putting their best work in every single day to provide the greatest insights, whether it's your, you know, your take profit zones, whether your stop loss, your break evens, your entries, all that juicy stuff. Do have a little look down below. Now for Bitcoin, well, this is interesting, isn't it? We've had a fantastic bunch of weeks. Let me just remove some squiggly lines, and you can see right now what we're seeing on this current candle is what we call almost, not quite, but almost a doji candle, where the buying and selling pressure is equal. Now what I can tell is there is a lot of resistance in this $38,000 region, but equally there's tons of support. We can see on this diagonal, perfectly respecting this support level at $35,000 level. This could be argued as an ascending triangle or even a bull flag, but overall it looks like a bullish pattern. But we are very overbought, guys, on that weekly RSI now. So Bitcoin has actually crawled from June 2022 being oversold. Bitcoin is back to an overbought territory in its RSI, which does tell me again, you know, things are looking a little bit overextended, maybe a bit too bullish. Are we asking for too much in this, you know, macroeconomical environment with all the geopolitics going on, all the wars, all the inflation? Maybe this is a local high for now, and maybe we will see a correction. But overall, we do know, if you just zoom out, if you look years to come, I think Bitcoin will sit there, sitting pretty at $140,000 or so in the next crypto bull run. So I think the average median sort of price in the next bull run, when it comes down, the bottom will be like 30K. I think the top, realistically, $150,000. A lot to look forward to. So if you want to become part of the journey, do subscribe, like, comment, get yourself into the Discord down below so we can all chat, hang out in the community. You know, we've got 18,000 plus members here now, so we're doing our best to get to that 20,000 mark. I believe we'll get there. Just need more of you people to join, help, share the love, share this channel, share the Discord, and yeah, that would be amazing. So thanks for watching. See you soon. Stay crypto safe, guys, and yeah, always do your own research, not financial advice, and hopefully we'll find some awesome new projects soon. Bye for now.